and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you 3 easy pull-through braid hairstyles that you can do on yourself. I know braiding your own hair is hard sometimes. Like, I have a hard time braiding my own hair, especially going like straight back. So the pull-through braid impersonates an actual braid and also actually gives you a lot more volume in your braid and security because they're a bunch of like ponytails. So I'm gonna show you 3 easy, super cute pull-through braid styles that you can do on curly hair or not curly hair, whatever you want to do. And don't forget to like and subscribe so I know that you like my content that I'm posting, and then I'll post more. And let's get into it. All you're gonna need for these styles are small tiny rubber bands and possibly bobby pins.
Hello, this is Future Chicken Nugget here, going to explain to you what I am doing to my hair. So first I am taking a little ponytail and then doing the loop-de-loop to create a twist. Then I'm taking another ponytail section over top of the ends of my last ponytail section, don't include that hair, and make a ponytail, and then do 2 loop-de-loops to make even more twisty section. And then I'm going to combine those 2 end pieces to make my first ponytail. And then I'm going to make 2 more ponytail sections. Now to do the pull-through braid, you want to separate the first piece in half, take the middle piece through the halves, clip it up, and then combine those 2 halves with the bottom ponytail, and that will create your first braid section. Then you let down the top piece, split that in half, and take the bottom section through and combine the 2 halves to make another section. And then you just keep doing that until you reach the length you want your braid to be. And then I just loosened up my braid to the desired look I was going for, and then you're done. That's simple as that. La-di-da. On to the second look. I left out a few pieces on the sides, and then I'm making sections from one ear towards the next ear, gradually going closer down to my neck so that it's not in the middle of my head. Hello, Jacob. And then I'm going to do the same thing, split the first one in half, bring the next one forward, take those 2 halves, connect it to the next ponytail. Release, split the one that you just released in half, take that ponytail behind it through, connect those 2 sides to the next ponytail until you reach your end of your braid. And once again, I loosened up my braid to the desired loose thickness I wanted it to be. And then I bobby pinned my top half of my braid to my head so it was more flat and not sticking out. That's just a preference. You don't have to do that if you don't want. And there you go for the second look. Now for the last look, we're going for a crown braid. So I sectioned some of my hair up towards the front so I would have long hair all around and the same amount of hair everywhere. And then I started making small ponytail sections all around the perimeter of my head. I even included some of my bangs, but I also left some of my bangs out because I wanted bangs. And make sure to do small sections for this one because you want them closer together. And also make sure to go close to the edge of your hairline so that your crown braid isn't in the middle of your head. I also left out some curls by my ears for this look too. And then I just went around the whole entire head doing this. And I think I did about 16 or 17 small ponytail sections. And here I'm just showing you how I separated all the hair and made sure that there's hair in the front and back. Why can't I find you? Then what you want to do is start from the back and do the pull through method. Split the first one in half, pull the one next through, and combine it with the next ponytail. Then you want to do this all the way around your head until you reach the last ponytail. Then when I reached the end, I continued my braid section all the way until the end. I did not pin it down yet. I wanted to loosen up my braid before I pinned anything down. So here I'm loosening up my braid to the desired looseness I wanted. I even let some of my curls come out to make it more effortless looking. And And then once I was done with that, I took the ponytail from the first section and added my ends into that ponytail. And then I bobby pinned my little tiny ends to the bottom of that braid section to make it look like it was part of that braid. And there you have it, the final look.
And there are my 3 pull-through braid hairstyles. I hope you like them. Comment down below if you decide to try them out and let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. This one's my favorite. I like it. It's really cute. Really pretty with flowers, but I don't have any flowers. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Oh.